Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Brittany and today on Party Pairings we're celebrating Valentine's Day. Cue hearts, confetti, balloons, pow! Whew, lost my head there for a minute. The party pairing that we have today will be fantastic for a group of 20 or just an intimate party of 2. We're making Prosecco Muffins and a strawberry fizz cocktail. Let's jump right in. All right, let's make our muffins. Now we're going to mix our Prosecco and our oil, vanilla extract, our eggs that we're going to whip before we combine into our wet ingredients. And our Greek yogurt. And you're going to mix that up. Now we're going to mix our dry ingredients. Flour, brown sugar, baking powder, cornstarch, and salt. You're going to make sure that that's good and mixed before adding in your wet ingredients. Now you're going to slowly add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. Now you want to mix your batter until it is just mixed. You don't want to over mix it, otherwise you're going to have too stiff of a batter. It's going to make your muffins chewy. All right, now that we have our batter, we're going to pour it into our muffin pans. This recipe should make roughly 9 muffins. You should fill your muffin containers roughly halfway full. This will prevent overflowing of your batter. Now we're going to pop our batter into the oven for 20 minutes at 350. And while those cook, we're going to whip up our strawberry sauce for our cocktail and our filling. The strawberry juice that we're about to make will be used in both our muffin filling and our cocktail recipe. To make the strawberry juice, you're going to take 2 cups of strawberries, which is roughly a pound, in a pan that's heated over medium heat. Three-fourths cup of water, and a half a cup sugar. You're going to simmer that over medium heat until your water is reduced and your strawberries have softened. Once your strawberry juice has reduced, make sure to cool it at room temperature before you place it in the food processor. Next, puree your strawberry mixture until it is smooth. Then strain it into a bowl. All right, now that we've made our strawberry sauce, we're going to divide it in half. We're going to mix half of it with half of a container of whipped cream, and it's going to go inside of our muffins the day of our party. That should be left in the refrigerator either overnight or at least for an hour to let the whipped cream absorb a lot of the juice and let it set up. Also, before your party, you can take your muffins and hold them out. Now, if you don't have a cupcake hole punch, then you can use an apple core. It'll work almost just as well. All right, so we're going to take half of our whipped cream and we are going to gently fold it into our strawberry sauce. Now, the day of your party, this is going to go inside your muffins. Okay, up until now you could have done all the steps beforehand. Now it's the day of your party and you need to assemble your cupcakes and make your cocktail. So for that, you're going to need your pre-mixed whipped cream and then some white chocolate wafers that we've melted in the microwave. And then you're going to need some red decorative sugar that we're going to top our cupcakes with. If you want an extra touch, you might have some Valentine's Day chocolate laying around from somebody, and you can always top your cupcakes with that. Okay, to fill your cupcake, you're going to take a small dab of your strawberry whipped cream mixture and put it in the hole that you created previously. Okay, once that's filled, then you're going to dip it in your white chocolate mixture. And then you're going to dip it in your granulated sugar. And there you go. If you want to top it with a little chocolate, it's a fun conversation starter at your party. All right, well, it's finally time to make your Valentine's Day cocktail. For this cocktail, you're going to take your champagne glass and dip it into your white chocolate. Then you're going to dip it into your red sprinkles. It's fine to reuse your white chocolate and sprinkles that you were using for your muffins. Next, you're going to put roughly a tablespoon of strawberry juice in the bottom of your glass. And then another roughly a tablespoon of the kombucha. I'm using strawberry kombucha. You could use really any that you prefer. Then you're going to carefully open your Prosecco. Okay, now that we got our Prosecco open, then you're going to top your glass with your Prosecco. And then you're going to garnish it with a mint leaf, making the perfect Valentine's Day cocktail. I hope you all enjoyed this episode of Party Pairings. If you did, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I'll see you all back here next time. Until then, have a wonderful party. Cheers.